welcome back to another quick RV walkthrough. My name's Taylor Quayle. Behind me is a 2017 Jayco Eagle HT 27.5. It's a rear kitchen double slide fifth wheel that's just over 30 feet and weighs less than 10,000 pounds. Let's go give it a quick tour. So this 2017 Jayco Eagle only weighs 9,950 pounds. It is a double slide floor plan, a double axle, and it's a rear kitchen setup. Oh man, I love the floor plan in here. Gives you so much space for only having two slides, especially not being opposing slides. Wireless backup camera, 2-inch hitch on the back, rear and front stabilizers, have a pretty good sized electric awning right here. Nothing crazy outside in terms of rear or outdoor kitchens or TVs. You do have TV hookups. When we come inside, you are greeted with the main galley slide for the couch and the dinette. Here is that beautiful rear kitchen. Look how much space there is. Ton of counter space, a ton of cabinets. If you haven't seen my full video walkthrough on this, definitely check it out. I show you guys all the cabinets in this kitchen, and it is immense. We got storage under the booth dinette. We got a tri-fold sofa sleeper. We got a 32-inch TV with an electric fireplace that can actually put out heat. Tons of storage. Has all your controls for the unit right behind here. Has a little rapid camp system so you can actually control the slides, lights, and awning directly from that remote. 3 steps going into the queen bedroom, which also has a slide out right here for the closet, and a little makeup area for the missus. Bathroom, corner shower, single vanity, plenty of legroom in front of the toilet. Just a quick look at that shower. It's got a little area you can shave some legs on. We're selling this coach for $29,000. It's for sale at Padada RV Center in Tucson, Arizona. My name's Taylor Quayle. If you have any questions, go ahead and shoot me a text. I'd love to help you out and answer anything you got on here. But I appreciate you guys viewing this video. Hopefully you enjoyed this quick walkthrough. Let me know if I could be of any assistance down in the comments. Have a great day.